Are you struggling to lose weight? Tired of endless diets and workouts that don't give results? Today I'm going to share with you a simple, natural fat burner tea recipe that can help melt away stubborn fat, speed up your metabolism, and boost your energy, all with ingredients you already have at home. This tea has helped thousands of people transform their bodies, and it can help you too. This recipe is 100% natural and super easy to make. The ingredients are well known for their fat-burning, metabolism-boosting, and digestion-improving properties. Ingredients: 1 small stick of cinnamon, fat-burning properties; a small piece of ginger, metabolism booster; 1 teaspoon of green tea, natural, antioxidant; 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, detox and vitamin C; 2 cups of water. How to prepare: add water to a pot and drop in cinnamon and ginger. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes to release their benefits. Add green tea and let it steep for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour into a cup, add lemon juice, and drink while warm. This fat-burning tea can help you naturally reduce body fat, detox your system, improve digestion, and leave you feeling lighter and more energized. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily and you'll start noticing visible results in just a few weeks. Remember, while losing weight isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling healthy and confident in your own skin. This natural weight loss remedy is easy, affordable, and effective. Start today, take the first step towards a healthier you, and make this tea part of your daily routine. If you found this recipe helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural weight loss tips that actually work. Your health is your greatest wealth, so take care of it.